Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Tumbler heat press machine. Aiment upgraded 110-volt straight sublimation mug press machine. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Tumbler heat press machine. The diameter range is 2.83 to 3.43 inches. Much smaller and lighter than the original 30 ounces Tumbler heat press machine. With ergonomically designed, it can be carried if you want to take it out for outdoor DIY making. It is easy to store and doesn't take up lots of space. Smaller but more durable, stronger, and safer. To operate, the operation screen is the latest digital one, which can accurately control the temperature and time. For the sublimation of glass tumblers, the recommended temperature and time are 360 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 seconds. For the sublimation of stainless steel tumbler cup mugs, the recommended temperature and time are 360 degrees Fahrenheit and 120 seconds. For ceramic mugs, 365 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 seconds. Adjustable pressure knob. The right pressure makes the cup easier to control. And safety temp range, 0 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, time range, 0 to 999 seconds, heat-resistant silicone pad remains stable up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit and brings clearer transfer patterns. Please do not let the machine heat up when there are no tumblers in the heat press machine, it will shorten the life of the tumbler heater of the machine. Come with free heat-resist gloves for your safety. An intelligent audible alarm for safer use. Quality and sturdy material. Our Tumbler heat press machine is made of metal, more heat-resistant and durable during heating process. The whole body of the tumbler can be heated evenly and continuously. As a result, the pattern which is pressed will be vivid and anti-flaking. Thicker heating element inside ensures both glass and stainless tumbler sublimation results in longer service life. Compatibility with this adjustable tumbler press. You can print 16, 20, 30 ounce sublimation skinny stainless tumblers, 13,18 ounce glass cans, 13, 18 ounces glass cans. Also could print 2 PCS 11 ounce or 15 ounce ceramic mugs in one time. This model is not suitable for mugs which diameter is less than 2.6 inches. It can print the straight sublimation tumbler in various sizes. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.